Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest names in the computer hardware industry, Intel. Intel is a multinational technology company that specializes in the design and manufacture of microprocessors, system-on-chips, and other hardware components. So, let's dive in and discover some fascinating things about Intel. First and foremost, did you know that Intel was founded way back in 1968 by Robert Noyce and Gordon Moore? That's right, Intel has been around for over 50 years. In fact, it's one of the oldest and most established technology companies in the world. Over the years, Intel has grown to become one of the biggest players in the computer hardware industry, with its processors being used in millions of devices worldwide. One of the most interesting things about Intel is its microprocessors. Intel's microprocessors are at the heart of most modern computers, from desktops to laptops to servers. They're what make your computer run fast and smoothly. Intel's processors are known for their reliability, speed, and energy efficiency. In fact, Intel has been at the forefront of processor technology for decades, continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Intel's processors are so ubiquitous that you may not even realize you're using one. They're used in everything from gaming PCs to medical equipment to cars. Intel's processors are designed to handle a wide variety of tasks, from simple web browsing to complex scientific simulations. They're also used in artificial intelligence and machine learning applications, which are becoming increasingly important in our technology-driven world. Another interesting thing about Intel is its manufacturing process. Intel designs and manufactures its processors in-house, using some of the most advanced manufacturing facilities in the world. Intel's manufacturing process involves creating microchips on a wafer using a process called photolithography. This process involves using light to transfer a pattern onto the wafer, which is then etched into the silicon. Intel's manufacturing process is incredibly precise, with features as small as 14 nanometers being etched onto the chips. It's worth noting that Intel is constantly innovating and adapting to the ever-changing technology landscape. Intel invests heavily in research and development, with a particular focus on emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, 5G, and the Internet of Things. Intel also works closely with other technology companies to develop new products and technologies, ensuring that its processors remain at the forefront of the industry. Now, let's explore some of the main ways Intel generates revenue. First and foremost, Intel is most well known for its microprocessors, which are used in everything from personal computers to mobile devices. In fact, Intel is the world's largest semiconductor manufacturer, and their microprocessors are responsible for a significant portion of their revenue. These chips are designed to be fast, reliable, and energy efficient, and they're constantly being improved to meet the demands of the ever-evolving technology landscape. Another major source of revenue for Intel is their data center business. With the rise of cloud computing, big data, and the Internet of Things, there's been a huge demand for data centers that can handle massive amounts of information. Intel's data center products are designed to provide high-performance computing power, reliability, and energy efficiency, making them an attractive option for companies looking to build and operate data centers. Intel also generates revenue from its manufacturing and foundry services. As we mentioned earlier, Intel designs and manufactures its own microprocessors, but they also provide manufacturing services to other companies. This includes designing and manufacturing custom chips for other companies, which can be a lucrative source of revenue. Intel has some of the most advanced manufacturing facilities in the world, and they're constantly investing in new technologies to stay ahead of the competition. In addition to their core businesses, Intel also generates revenue from a variety of other sources. For example, they sell software tools and development kits to help developers create applications that run on Intel platforms. They also have a large patent portfolio, which generates revenue from licensing agreements with other companies. Also, Intel is always looking for new opportunities to grow and expand its business. This includes investing in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, 5G, and the Internet of Things. By staying at the forefront of these technologies, Intel can position itself as a leader in these areas and generate new revenue streams. Now, we're going to take a closer look at Intel and conduct a SWOT analysis to identify the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Let's start with Intel's strengths. Intel is the world's largest semiconductor manufacturer, and their microprocessors are used in everything from personal computers to mobile devices. They have a strong brand reputation, with many consumers associating the name Intel with high-quality, reliable products. Intel also has a vast network of suppliers and partners, which helps them to maintain their market leadership position. Now let's talk about Intel's weaknesses. While Intel has a strong reputation for reliability, they've had some setbacks in recent years. One of the biggest challenges they face is the growing competition from other semiconductor manufacturers, particularly those based in Asia. Intel has also struggled with manufacturing delays and supply chain disruptions, which have impacted their ability to deliver products on time. Moving on to opportunities, Intel has many potential areas for growth. One of the biggest opportunities is in the data center market, where demand for high-performance computing power is only continuing to increase. Intel has already made significant investments in this area, and they're well-positioned to take advantage of this trend. Intel is also investing in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, 5G, and the Internet of Things, which could open up new revenue streams for the company. Lastly, let's talk about threats. One of the biggest threats facing Intel is the increasing competition from other semiconductor manufacturers, particularly those based in Asia. These companies have been rapidly developing new technologies and are investing heavily in research and development. Additionally, the rise of cloud computing in mobile devices has shifted demand away from traditional desktop and laptop computers, which could impact Intel's core business. So there you have it, a detailed analysis of Intel. Hopefully, this video has provided you with a better understanding of the company and its position in the semiconductor industry. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on all the latest tech news and analysis, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss a single video from our channel. We're dedicated to bringing you the most interesting and informative content about the world of tech, so whether you're a die-hard Intel fan or just someone who's curious about the latest gadgets and innovations, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.